Getting physical activity during the COVID-19 pandemic has been a huge challenge. And while Torontonians and GTHA residents will have to wait a little longer before getting their workout fix, we find out how some gyms are preparing to reopen to the public this Friday as much of Ontario moves to stage 3, so you can work out safely.
There's 2 lines for every club as you enter in. There's a line for people who've registered and booked their workouts through the app, and there's a line for people who are just showing up and hoping to come in.
It won't be as easy to walk into a gym anymore. While you may not be turned away as a walk-in, making an appointment is encouraged.
Our new Good Life app. So what that allows members to do is to go online, either through a mobile device or desktop, and book in their actual workout session. So in real time, you can see how many members will actually be at the club that you intend to visit, and then we can keep those capacities in check. Following a workout block, the club will close for a half an hour, and that gives us an opportunity to do a deep cleaning.
The National Manager of Operations at Good Life Fitness says additional staff have been hired to keep gyms safe and clean. Hand sanitizing stations are also set up throughout the facility. Masks must also be worn. Currently, the Toronto bylaw permits the temporary removal of a mask or face covering when someone engages in athletic or fitness activity. Toronto Public Health says the steps being taken are just the beginning of what gyms need to do going forward.
The last time you probably went to the gym, the treadmills were next to each other, the equipment was next to each other, and we're going to have to make sure that when people go to gyms that they can maintain that distance, because in those settings you might be able to transmit your particles maybe even beyond 6 feet, and so we definitely want it to be safe when those reopen.
We stopped construction when the pandemic mandated that we shut down. But one of the great things was, because at the point of construction that we were in, we were able to reconfigure the layout to take physical distancing into account. And so what you're seeing is equipment that is much more spaced out than what we would traditionally see in a club.
Gyms are known to be one of the germiest places due to the nature of what's happening inside at a gym. So what's your advice to people who are concerned about coming to the gym right now?
And we want people to understand that we take their safety almost to a point of ownership. We really want to make sure that people are feeling comfortable. At the same time, it's best practices to do all the things that we've heard throughout this pandemic, right? Hand washing, making sure that you're sanitizing, maintaining physical distancing, and again, masks.
Gyms like this one here in Oakville will not be reopening yet, as the GTHA remains in stage 2 for now. But when the gyms do reopen, you won't be able to access everything inside the facility, such as the showers, saunas, or tanning beds. Good Life Fitness also says they won't be resuming childcare services at this time. For City News, I'm Maleeha Sheikh.